Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to second session of multiplication chapter. Last class we learned multiplication table 1 to 10 and memorized 5 tables, that is 1 to 5, and also learned multiplication of single digit numbers. Today we are going to learn more about multiplication. Please remember one thing, learning multiplication is not as easy as addition and subtraction. Practice is required to learn multiplication. What is the easiest way to learn multiplication? It is very easy for you if you pay attention to one thing. Do you know what it is? Tell me quickly what it is. Yes, memorize the multiplication tables. If you have multiplication tables in your memory, multiplication is not difficult. Okay, let us start the lesson. Please note 2 points. First point is, if we multiply any number by 1, the answer will be the same number. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 900 into 1, 900. 525 into 1, 525. The second point is, if we multiply any number by 0 and the answer is 0, 12 into 0 is equal to 12 times 0, 0. 725 into 0, 0. 800 into 0, 0. Okay. Then we can quickly multiply some numbers without having to study the multiplication tables. Let us discuss such numbers. Look the screen. 7 into 100. When multiply a number by 100, first multiply the number by 1, then add 2 0 to the right of the product. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Then add 2 zeros after 7. Answer is 700. Next, 26 into 1000. When multiply a number by 1000, first multiply the number by 1. When multiply a number by 1000, first multiply the number 1 and add 3 zeros to the right of the product. 26 into 1, 26. Then put 3 zeros after 26. Answer is 26,000. One more example. 6 into 100. When multiply a number by 100, first multiply the number 1, then add 2 zeros to the right of the product. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Then put 0. Answer is 600. It is easy to multiply any number by the multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. Just multiply that number by the first number and enter zeros. One more example. 5 into 10. Just multiply 5 into 1. Then put 1 0 right of the product. Answer is 50. If it is multiplied by 100, add 2 zeros after the product. 200 into 8. 2 8s are 16. Add 2 zeros. 208 is equal to 1600. Similarly, if you multiply by 1000, you just add 3 zeros to the right side of the product. 5000 into 3. First add 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Then add 3 zeros after 15. Answer is 15,000. All of you clear? Yes. Now let's find the answers to some questions in the textbook exercise. Please open your textbook page number 127. Exercise number 5.2. Question number 1. 4 into 10. What to do to find the answer easily? Just multiply the number by the first number and enter 1 0. 4 times 1s are 4. Then put 1 0, 40. Next, C. 2 into 100. First multiply 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then write 2 zeros after the product. Answer is 200. E. 6 into 1000. 6 times 1s are 6. Then write 3 zeros after 6. Answer is 6000. Next, G. 7 into thousands. The same step, multiply 7 into 1. Answer is 7. Then write 3 zeros after 7. So answer is 7000. Okay. Please turn your page. Next topic, multiplication 2-digit number by 1-digit number with carryover. First example is 24 by 3. Multiplying a 2-digit number by 1-digit number. I remind you again, chapter will be much easier for you if you memorize your basic multiplication tables. Now, as you can see, this is a 2-digit number is multiplied by a single digit number. When you are given the problem like this, where the numbers are written side by side, you need to rewrite it in stacked form. We did with addition and subtraction. Then draw an answer line and put symbol of multiplication. We are ready to learn the procedure of multiplying. Now in our problem, we only have 1-digit number on the bottom and we are going to multiply it by each of the digits in the top number. The top number has 2 digits. That means that our problem will have 2 small multiplication steps. For the first step, we multiply the bottom digit by the digit in the ones place of the top number, which is 3 into 4. We always start with ones place and work our way from right to left. So 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Just like with addition, when we get a 2-digit answer, we have to carry the first digit to the top of the next column. 1 gets carried up to the top of the tens place column. We multiply the bottom digit by the next digit to the left in our top number. Multiply the bottom digit by the next digit to the left in our top number. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6 plus 1 carried number is equal to 7. Answer is 72. In multiplication problem, the first number we call multiplicand and second number we call multiplier and answer we call product. In this problem, 24 is multiplicand, 3 is multiplier, 72 is product. Okay, let's try one more example from your textbook. Multiply 46 by 2. We stack our problem with ones place lined up. Our top number has 2 digits. It means we will break this problem up into 2 small multiplication steps. We will multiply the bottom digits by each digit in the top number, starting with ones place on the right and working our way left. Okay, here we go with the first step. We multiply the bottom digit by the top digit in the ones place. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. because we have a 2-digit answer. We carry the 1 to the top of the tens column and we leave the 2 in the answer line. Now we can do the second step. We multiply the bottom digit by the next digit in the top number. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. That was easy, but don't forget about that digit we carried. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Our answer is 92. Alright, that is the basic of multi-digit multiplication. If you practice again and again, multiply answer will get very quickly. We learned how to multiply a multi-digit number by one-digit number. Next, we are going to learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by single-digit number. You remember the procedure of multiplying when we have a 2-digit number, right? For example, if you have a 3-digit number, 421 into 5. You multiply the first digit by each top digit. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. We write 0 in answer line, 1 in next place. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Answer is 2105. Next example, 4-digit number. Multiply 1698 by 2. Write the numbers vertically. 1698, then write 2. Draw answer line, put symbol of multiplication. What to do next? Multiply the bottom number with the top of the each number from ones place. 2 into 8s, 2 into 8s are 16. We write 6 in answer line, 1 in tens place. 2 into 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. We write 9 in answer line, 1 in next place. 2 into 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. We write 3 in answer line, 1 in next place. 2 into 1s are 2. Plus 1, 3. Final answer is 3396. Okay. Today's class ends here. Please note your homework. Page number 127, exercise number 5.2 A to P. Next, page number 129. Exercise number 5.3 A to I. Third one, page number 132, exercise number 5.5 A to I. Do your all homework in your textbook and send it to school WhatsApp group. And one more homework for you. Memorize table of 6 and recite the table, record your voice and send it to school WhatsApp number. That is all for today. Thank you.